if the Wi-Fi speed is too slow on your iPhone. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just go to settings and from here just tap on battery. Now just scroll down and tap on power mode. Now if low power mode is enabled on your iPhone, this can affect the working of the Wi-Fi on your iPhone. So what I recommend is just disable low power mode. After you do that, then just go back. And in the main settings page, just tap on Wi-Fi. Tap on the eye icon in front of your connected Wi-Fi network. Now just scroll down and if low data mode is enabled, just turn it off. And after you disable low data mode, then just scroll down and tap on configure DNS. From here, just select manual. Now from here, just remove all these DNS servers. Select delete. And after you remove all these DNS servers, then tap on add server. Now just add this specific server. After you do that, then just tap on add server one more time. Now this time just type this. And after you enter both of these servers, then tap on save. Now just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back. And in the main settings page, just tap on general. Tap on VPN and device management. And if there is any VPN network connected with your iPhone, just disable it from here. Now after you do that, then just go back. Now under general, just tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. And from here, just select reset network settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on reset network settings. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the network related settings of your iPhone. And after you do that, then just connect your iPhone back to the Wi-Fi network and check if your issue is fixed or not. But if this also did not work, then just go back to settings, tap on general, then tap on software update. Now from here, just check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now if this also did not work, then just check if the Wi-Fi issue is just with your iPhone or if this issue is with all the other devices which are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If the slow Wi-Fi issue is with all the other devices which are connected to your Wi-Fi network, then this means that the issue is with your Wi-Fi service provider. First of all, just restart your Wi-Fi router, and if this did not fix your issue, then just contact your Wi-Fi service provider and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the Wi-Fi speed is too slow problem on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.